Today's episode is based on subscriber request. Many of my subscribers have requested me for vegan milkshake recipes. So here it is. Today we are going to be looking at how to make vegan chocolate milkshake with just 3 ingredients. Absolutely simple. Keep watching. Namaskaram. I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Munch Mull. Before we start actually making our vegan chocolate milkshake, let's look at some of the wonderful health benefits that cocoa, the most important flavoring agent of this milkshake, offers us. Cocoa contains more phenolic antioxidants than most foods. Flavonoids, including catechin, epicatechin, and procyanidins, predominate in antioxidant activity. Cocoa polyphenols have antioxidant properties which endow them with various positive effects against several pathological disorders, including cardiovascular disease, inflammatory processes, and cancer. These cocoa polyphenols induce coronary vasodilation, increase cellular nitric oxide concentrations to induce vascular relaxation, improve vascular function, and decrease platelet adhesion. Moreover, they decrease levels of LDL cholesterol and simultaneously increase HDL cholesterol. Cocoa has potential to reduce weight gain. However, because cocoa is predominantly consumed as an energy-dense chocolate, likely negative effects of overconsumption of such high calories do exist, including increased risk of weight gain. In other words, using cocoa as unsweetened cocoa powder is the best way to harness its benefits. Being vegan does not mean that you have to give up your milkshake. There are a lot of alternatives to dairy milk such as cashews, soya, groundnut, coconut. But today we are going to be using almonds as our source of plant-based milk. So let's look at the ingredients for our vegan chocolate milkshake. I've soaked about 20 almonds in water for about 3 to 4 hours. 3 tablespoons of raw cocoa powder, this is unsweetened, and 3 tablespoons of raw cane sugar or jaggery powder. All these ingredients are organic and have been sourced from Biobasics. I have chosen almonds not just because it is a source of plant-based milk, but because of the wonderful health benefits that it offers. Let's look at some of them. Almonds are tree nuts recognized as a healthy snack and known to be a good source of protein, monounsaturated fatty acids, dietary fiber, vitamin E, riboflavin, and essential minerals like manganese, magnesium, copper, and phosphorus. Clinical studies show that consuming almonds can have a correcting effect on glucose, fat, and even uric acid. It has also been seen to have a role in regulating body weight and protecting against diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. If that is not enough, recent research also confirms a prebiotic potential of almonds. I have used raw cane sugar or jaggery powder to sweeten this vegan chocolate milkshake. There are other alternatives. You could use dates or raisins or even liquid molasses, and non-vegans can also use honey. But remember, refined white sugar is best avoided. So here let's start preparing our vegan chocolate milkshake. I'm putting in the almonds. So adding a little water. And we'll grind the almonds first. Here you can see the frothy milk. So now I'm adding the cocoa powder and the raw cane sugar or jaggery powder. Adding a little bit of water. Looks very thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more water. So here's our vegan chocolate milkshake ready. So let me add some ice cubes, and here let's pour our vegan chocolate milkshake. If you have some chunks of almond, it's absolutely okay, you can chew it. My source of protein for the day. Delicious and not from milk. From a nutritional point of view, milk is consumed primarily for two reasons, because they are a source of protein and they are a good source of calcium. But milk production sees a use of lot of chemicals and hormones which negatively impact our health. Dairy milk production also involves a lot of ecological impact and animal cruelty. So what are the other options for calcium and protein? Let's mull over it. As I've already mentioned, plant-based milk can be obtained from soya, coconut, almond, cashew and peanuts. I've already uploaded a recipe on peanut curd, the link of which is given above. But did you know that plant-based milk can also be extracted from roasted Bengal gram, wheat and ragi or finger millet? Do you also know that ragi is a far richer source of calcium than dairy milk? I have uploaded a complete playlist of ragi recipes which you can have a look. When it comes to calcium, do you know that drumstick leaves are richer than finger millet in its calcium content? I have discussed this in great detail in this episode, which you should have a look at. So, when are you going to be making your vegan chocolate milkshake? And do you know of any other plant-based milk sources that I have not mentioned? The comment box is waiting for that list from you. Do not forget to press the like button if you enjoyed this video, particularly if you have vegan and lactose intolerant friends and relatives, then you obviously should share this video with them. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.